Welcome to our first Sales Tech Talk, a few minutes to demo new technology to help your sales team succeed. I'm Steve Keck with Span the Chasm, and today I'm excited to welcome my good friend and Salesforce dynamo, Jay Umrani with Bolt today. Good to see you, Jay.
Hey, hi Steve. Nice to be here. I'm very excited to show you some cool sales technologies today.
Jay, we talked about how sales leaders are in a new place right now. Pipelines are changing under their noses, and forecasts are becoming harder to estimate, especially in Salesforce Kanban.
That is absolutely right. And Salesforce Kanban is a great view that Salesforce introduced when they released Lightning. And it is a cool place where you can visualize the entire of your pipeline. Let me show you what I mean. So you can see a Salesforce pipeline view on my screen. And this is a very cool view where salespeople can look at their entire deals, how they are stacked across their sales pipeline. And they are also bucketed across the various record types or type of sales deals that you have. In addition to that, if you want to filter these deals based on a timeline, or if you want to filter it based on the salespeople, Salesforce has also provided a cool filter. This filter is a little difficult to use for salespeople. It is easier for a technical person, but that can provide you an ability, to filter the deals.
Okay, we've got 5 minutes to take a look at this cool solution you've built. So show us how you've improved the pipeline visibility and added a feature of sales forecasting to this.
Absolutely, glad to show you that. So let me switch my view to Bolt Kanban. So the product we call is Bolt Kanban. Bolt Kanban is necessarily Salesforce Kanban on steroids. So you see, get all the cool functionality. In addition to that, you can quickly visualize your pipeline with total number of deals, total size of your pipeline, and all the filters and necessary functionality, we have brought it on the right side here. For example, if you want to slice and dice these deals, and view the deals for the entire year, you can just click this span filter and you can immediately get that view. In addition to that, you can also bookmark certain deals, and you can filter them only the bookmark deals. So that way you can keep a track of important deals. And if you have come into Salesforce to do that, it can reduce all the noise. Finally, if you're a sales manager, then you can also use a group by functionality to group the deals and see who is working on what from your sales team. So this gives you a very easy view saying that what is Steve Keck working on and what is Michael working on in a glance. And if you're typically on a sales review calls, this becomes very easy for a sales manager to use. Finally, these Salesforce Kanban cards, you can put as many fields as you want, including the custom fields. So there is no limitation of how many fields you can bring in. And entirely, this makes the entire pipeline view very useful, and that's the additional work that we have done.
Oh, that's awesome. So how is your solution built? Is it inside Salesforce?
Oh, yes, it is 100% native to Salesforce. It functions exactly like Salesforce Kanban with some added functionalities as you saw. And you can even drag and drop the deals as you can do in Salesforce Kanban. So it is ready to be rolled out today, if you want to.
Okay, cool. I understand how easy it is to use and the right insights you can give, but how can it really save time for salespeople?
That is a great question, because the whole intent of me building this was for the sales guys to come at one place, get their work done and get out. That was the whole intent of building this particular product. Mm-hmm. So what salespeople can do, as they can get all the insights and complete visibility of their pipeline, they can also take few actions very quickly. For example, we have provided a context menu, which is also customizable. And in that context menu, you can go and, for example, create a task very quickly, right? So you don't miss on taking actions on your deals. You can even assign a task to somebody else, for getting the work done. At the same time, if you want to provide some quick updates to the deal, you can quickly click on edit, provide the updates and get out.
Well, fantastic. So let's talk forecasting. Is there a forecast view available to salespeople as well as the sales managers?
Oh, yes, it is. And that is something additionally we have built in the product. So I have just switched on to the forecast view. And as you can see, the view is based on your forecast categories. And what it is showing
Hmm.
is same data, but now stacked or grouped by the forecast stages. So these are the committed deals you want to keep a track on. These are the best case deals which you want to pay attention next to, and decide which deals you can move into commit, right? So that is, some kind of forecast discussions that you can do, and salespeople can keep a good track of that. And if you're a sales manager, again, you can use the group by functionality and see which salesperson is working on which deals and which deals he has committed. So you can have a focused discussion saying that what is going on the committed deals and which are the best case deals that we can move and commit on to them. So that's something unique
That's
that we have added to this product.
Yeah, that is awesome. I love to be able to sales manage through simple technology. So Jay, what can people do to get access to Bolt Kanban?
Oh yeah, that is another good question. And because of the COVID-19 situation, we all are in a tough spot. And so we want to help our sales guys, and we have decided to keep this tool free of cost for them. And it is security approved. It is available on App Exchange. So you can quickly go to App Exchange, click Get It Now, and roll it out. In addition to that, if you need a quick training call with your salespeople on the functionality, we are even ready to extend that and give it that free of cost to you. Thank
You're
you.
kidding, it's free? All right,
Yeah.
sales team, go to the App Exchange listed below and get this today. Jay, I want to thank you so much for the cool technology you built for sales.
Thank you, Steve. Have a nice day.
All right, have a great day, sales team.